Hi guys, in this example we will learn how to use Select2 in Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with an example and let me show you. So if you go here I've already created one product create component, and you can see that there is already category over here, but it's very simple drop down, and let me show you the code as well for it. So you can see that there is a component blade file over here with the form category, and if I go to the product create component class over here. Okay, now what I will do, simply here is the simple drop down. I want to use Select2 drop down. So you can see over here there is already, if I go to the basic uses, I want to add Select2 like this way. So I can say is California, then you can see that search with the California. Okay, so what I need to do first, I need to go to the installation, and here I will be use cdn css and cdn jquery. Simply copy this, and what I will do, resource layouts and app, I need to just add both script over here, save it. Okay, now what I will do, simply go to the blade file, and here I will be use @script. Okay, and here I will be say and script. Okay, and here I will be say script. Okay, and here I will be simply say I will add one class over here. So I will say Select2 cat class. Okay, save it. Okay, and here I will be doing dot class and dot select2 and simply save it. Okay, and now let me go here and simply refresh the category page. You can see that now if I can also search, for example, book, then it's book over here. Okay, now what is the problem? Okay, if I choose cloth and click on submit, you can see that cloth field is required, and also you can see that it's become simple drop down again. So how we can, when your component is update again, then you should reload that. So how we can ignore this issue? So we can ignore this issue using the Laravel Livewire initialized listener, and we can use morphed hook. Okay, so how we can do, so simply go here, and first of all let me add document dot add event listener, and I will say Livewire, and I will say initialized okay, and I will say function. Okay, and simply here I will be add inside that listener. Okay, so after initialize the livewire blade file, then this function will load. Okay, so simply go here and refresh it. You can see that it's load over here. Okay, now let me choose it and click on submit. It's again disappear. Now what I need to do, I need to use livewire hook, and I will use morphed hook. Okay, and simply what I will do, function, and here I will be load again the select. Okay, simply copy this, paste it over here. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh it, and if I choose cloth and click on submit, you can see that again reload the Select2, and you can see over here. Okay, and click it again, you can see, but you can see that there is already category is required field, even we bind over here then as well. Okay, so how we can do that, simply go here, and I need to use on change event. So I will say change, and here I will say function. Okay, and if I go here, and I will simply say alert, and I will use this dot val function. Okay, and simply save it. Okay, now what I will do, simply refresh it, and I will choose the any category, and you can see that there is a 2 value given. Okay, so what I will do, simply add these 2 value inside the my category variable. Okay, so simply go here, and I will say $var set, and I will use categories id, and simply I will give over here. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let me go and show you, simply refresh it, and I will choose category and click on submit. You can see that now cloth is added on category underscore id variable. Now if I go here, same thing I need to do over here. So simply copy this, and you can see here Okay, but you can see that same code I need to use 2 times. So what I will do, I will create one function over here that's called name load javascript. Okay, and remove the argument, and this same thing I will do control X and paste it over here. Okay, now what I will do, simply go and I will simply say load this function by default when initialized. Same thing I will load once more for event will call, save it. Okay, and now refresh it and I will choose electric, click on it. You can see that again it's loaded over here. Now let me go, and if I go here inside my class submit, so it will also store category ID into the product table. So let me go here and I will choose books, and I will say books record. I will add price, and then I will say test detail page and click on submit. And now let me go here and go to my product table, and you can see that books records and category ID 3 what we selected over here. So you can see how easily we can add select to in Laravel Livewire 3. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. So in the next video I will show you how we can do multi select with select2 as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys.